Akanda, when a child has been born to stand apart, a child that has been born with many talents, a child that has been born with gifts that are so rare. This is the kind of child to whom we give the Oriki, Akanda. It literally means the one specially created. Kon is a word that means to do something purposefully, to do something deliberately, intentionally, to do something specially. And that means to create. Akanda is therefore the child specially made by the Creator. Ọmọ tí ẹlẹ́dàá kan lè dá. The Creator created you specially, not a child to be commonized, not a child to be treated as a regular. This is an alpha child, a child of many talents, many qualities, a child of many gifts, and Akanda specially created by Elédùmarè. Wàá Ṣere.